In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a digital product on Gumroad with a full step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're an aspiring creator or an entrepreneur looking to expand your digital offerings, knowing how to navigate Gumroad is a valuable skill. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, once you're logged into your Gumroad account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main hub for all activities and management of your products. You'll want to look for the Products tab and give it a click. It's here that all your current products and offerings will be displayed. But since our focus today is on adding something new, we'll be heading straight over to the New Product option. This is where your creativity takes center stage, and you're prompted to enter the name of your product. A thoughtfully chosen name plays a crucial role as it's the first impression potential buyers will have of your product. Make it clear and descriptive to convey what your offering is all about. After that, you'll want to ensure that the product type is set to digital product. Gumroad accommodates different types of products, but for digital items like ebooks, courses, or audio files, you must confirm this setting. With the product type confirmed, the next task is selecting your preferred currency and setting a price. While you can adjust this later, it's smart to set an attractive and fair price right from the start to entice early purchasers. Next, you'll proceed to customize. This stage gives you the opportunity to craft a detailed description of your product. This is where you can really shine by articulating the value and benefits of your digital product. Be as specific and engaging as possible, capturing the essence of what you're offering and why it's worth your customers' attention. Additionally, you can create a unique URL for your product, which can be particularly useful for marketing and driving traffic. Now, let's focus on the visual elements. Uploading compelling images or videos for your product cover is not just important, it's essential. High-quality visuals can catch the eye of potential buyers and communicate professionalism and quality. As you proceed, you'll want to fill in the product information section with any extra details that might benefit your customers. Remember to frequently save your progress by clicking Save and Continue, ensuring that none of your hard work is lost. When you reach the stage where you need to upload the actual content files, go ahead and do so. However, don't worry if everything isn't ready just yet. You can revisit this step and add or modify files later. Finally, when you're content with everything, you can confidently hit Publish and Continue. Congratulations! Your digital product is now live on Gumroad and ready for the world to see. With these steps, you're well on your way to sharing your creative works with a global audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your entrepreneurial journey on Gumroad.